The letter K. K stands for kangaroo. The kangaroo kicked the ball a kilometer high. Ready to write? Let's get started with proper posture. Feet on the floor. Sit up straight. Remember to use the tripod grip. Here's how you hold your pencil if you're right-handed. And if you're left-handed, you need to grip the pencil just a little higher from the point so you can see what you've written. If you're right-handed, position your paper with the right side slanted up slightly. If you're left-handed, slant the left side up slightly. Let's write a lowercase k. It has 2 loops. Put your pencil on the baseline and curve right up to the top line. Curve back to the left along the top line and then slant down, crossing your first line a little below the dotted line, making your first loop. Continue down to the baseline. Now slant right up to the dotted line, then curve right along the dotted line and back to the left to close the loop. Finish by curving back down to the right toward the baseline, ending with a smile. Now write the letter K in the air. Let's practice. Now, let's write an uppercase K. Put your pencil on the top line and draw a slanted line down to the baseline. Pick your pencil up from the paper and put it on the top line again, to the right of the line you just made. Curve down to the left to meet the first line in its middle at the dotted line. Then curve out to the right and meet the baseline. Finish by going up and ending with a smile. Now write the letter K in the air. Now, let's practice. Let's write an uppercase K and connect it to a lowercase k. Lowercase k also connects with its smile. Let's write the word khaki. Khaki is a shade of tan. Have fun practicing your new cursive writing skills!